Hello traders, it's 2025 and we're trading the Sonic trading system by day trade to win. You can use the Sonic trading system on a 1-minute chart or 3-minute chart. This video is going to be a 3-minute chart on the E-mini S&P. Whether you're a funded account trader using Apex or your own private account, available for TradingView or NinjaTrader. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. There are risks involved with trading. Now, previously, we've had a few short signals already, and I see a new signal here to go short. So I'm just going to follow the Sonic trading system telling me to go short. This happens to be 59.47. This is a short signal, just one contract on the E-mini S&P. The target is huge. It's 6.5 points. Let me show you exactly what that means in dollar amount. 6.5 points is $325. Now, if you can make $325 in one trade and then just shut down the computer and be finished for the day, that's the way that we do it. Now, some traders trade 2 or 3 or 4 times a day. You can make as much as you want, but remember, there's always risks involved whenever you place a trade. So if you're up for the day, it's always best to stop. Now, this video is going to be about 3 minutes long, and I'm using a 3-minute chart. Something else you should consider is the risk to reward ratio. As 2025 begins to trade, we're seeing more and more volatility, and volatility is good, but just look at the stop in comparison to the target. If it's really upside down where you're losing so much more money than you're trying to make, that's the trades you want to skip. And that's why the Sonic trading system gives you the stop as well as the target, and you can see whether or not the trade is worth taking. I have an entry price. I can see that I'm trying to make about $300. If the stop was $1,000 or $2,000, that's where you say it's not worth taking the trade. But in this instance, it's perfectly fine. So $325 made. The entry was 59.47. Every trade has the horizontal red and green lines, which are the stops and the targets, so you know exactly what you're risking. Let me add the text and the marker here so you can see where the entry was and the exit, and that's how this trade played out. $325 is pretty good. If this is the second, third, or fourth trade for you, I know it's pretty early. Consider stopping for the day and enjoying the rest of the day outside of looking at charts. Visit daytradetowin.com and get a free member account. If you haven't already, you can get the ABC as well as the news indicator for NinjaTrader and TradingView. Want to learn more? Visit daytradetowin.com and get started with a free member account, which includes access to our trials, including the ABC software. Start learning the right way by using price action and avoid using conventional indicators. We offer unique strategies and proprietary software, including the Sonic system. Join Accelerated Mentorship and get instant access to all our software. Let's get you set up in the next training.